Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making Jamaican steamed fish, another classic in Jamaica. But before I jump into the ingredients, I would like to bless you with a scripture. A soft answer turneth away wrath, but grievous words stir up anger. Remember to walk away from trouble. All right, so this is what we have. We have carrots, Irish potato or white potatoes. We also have pumpkins, okra, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. We have onions. We have our scotch bonnet pepper right here. We have a scallion right here. We also have some garlic, some pimento berries. We have some tomatoes. We have coconut milk. We have coconut oil. And our powder seasoning, we have our all-purpose seasoning, our fish seasoning, our garlic powder, and our black pepper. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm gonna season my fish. Remember to wash your fish with vinegar and lemon. If you have lime, it's okay. So I'll be using only 2 of these, okay? I'm gonna slice my fish slant like this, like so. I'm gonna turn it around. I'm gonna slice it like so. And then I'm gonna put this one back. I'm gonna get the big one. I'm gonna slice it like so. Remember to wash your hands. I wash mine. And remember the seasoning that we're going to use. We're going to mix them together. We're going to combine them. So we have our all-purpose seasoning along with garlic and along with black pepper. Okay. We're going to stick that seasoning into the fish. Season fish like so. Get it in. Get it on the inside. Be careful of bones, be mindful of that. We're gonna do the other side. And then I'm gonna get some scallion. I'm gonna break it like so. I'm gonna put it on the inside. I'm gonna rest this back. Plate. I'm going to grab my second fish and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm going to put it on the inside. Alright guys, I'm going to add some coconut oil. Keep it hot. Now you want your stove down on medium. I'm going to add my veggies. I'm going to add my saute that for about 2 minutes or so, or less. And then I'm going to add my carrots to it and everything else. My okra, my pumpkins. Irish potato, all that. garlic, along with my tomatoes. That smells so good. Turn your pot down on medium heat. I'm going to add the rest of the seasoning. Add some more all-purpose seasoning to it as well. Not too much. We're gonna mix well. Coconut milk, I'm going to pour on the okra. Look at that. I'm going to start adding my fish. That's one. This is the second one. It's so huge. But I'm going to put some butter on top. Cook for a little bit. Alright guys, stay tuned. Guys, I'm going to add some pumpkin mix to my pot as well. Now you can add this before you add your fish. Wow, look at the flavor, guys. You're gonna make this cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, guys, let's take a look. Oh wow, guys, that looks good. So I'm going to show you how I plate it. All right, guys. So this is my steamed fish, and I add some tough crackers with it. All right, guys, see you in my next video.